Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about the ChatGPT. If you are a programmer or content writer or any other professional, okay, the ChatGPT will basically change your life. ChatGPT is cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI. It is an advanced AI model to generate the natural language text and code. We can use it to content writing for your website, resume builder, interview preparation, question and answer about a code, and it will generate a code in Python, PHP, HTML, CSS, Laravel, or any other language. As an honest, sometimes it suggests you and reply you as much and more. It can help you in interview preparation, question and answering, unit testing for your code, and act as an interviewer if you want to ask it. For example, ask me a 5 questions about my PHP interview. So it will basically told you at the answer of the top 4 questions. So you can also apply it by your code conversion. For example, if you write a code in Python and you just want it to convert into another language, that it will basically help you or guide you. It use the language model, that is a software that understand the human language, and it use the codex, that is the design to understand the code.
So let's practice the OpenAI. Okay, so I'm using the Chrome. So whatever browser you are using, just write go to the browser and here write OpenAI. Okay, and Chat GPT. So when you enter the first link, that is the Chat OpenAI, click on this, and there is a two options showing sign up or login. So if you are not sign up, so press on the sign up. It is very easy. So I am logging it. Okay, so when you go to the login, after entering your password and credential, so this screen will be showing. Okay, so here we can ask anything. For example, I ask a first question, that what are the three, okay, best books for learning the PHP. Okay, so if you press enter, so by a question you can ask another question inside the chat gpt. That so basically it's starting and making the points as well. As you can see that inside the first it suggests me first book, second book, and third book. So that is the beauty of OpenAI. Not only suggesting me the book, but also it writes something about the, for example, inside the third, the modern PHP new features and good practice by John Slaker, and it shows me also this book is ideal for those who are already familiar with PHP. Okay, so another thing is that, for example, if I not understand about the point 2, so you can also write this one, that is, for example, this book, okay, which is suggested this book, what are the key concept, key points, okay, sorry, points in this book. So as you can see that it summarizes all the books by making the beautiful points and describe all the key points that are discussed in this book. You can also use the chat gpt for your career path selection. For example, here if I ask that how can I become the backend developer, okay, so when I press enter, then it shows me all the necessary steps which I have to adopt for becoming a backend developer. So it described it in points. For example, for you have to learn a programming language, your server side web developing, web framework, database management, RESTful API. So next, for example, if I here write how can I push code to git, okay, so okay, so it shows me to the following steps of for pushing the code. Okay, git repository, and here you can see that it also showing me the command. Okay, the git add, okay, you can add through git commit, you can commit. So it basically describe all these possible command to pushing the code into the git. So that perfect. Next you can use this basically chat gpt by your business ideas. For example, here I can write I want to start my online shopping website, okay, suggest me uh, is a good name. Okay, suggest spelling correct. Okay, so if I enter this, here you can see that it will also suggest me a good name. Okay, so you can use this chat GPT by suggesting purpose also. Perfect. So next we can also use chat GPT by writing contract. For example, if I write that I wanna hire a PHP developer for a task. Okay, we have agreed that he will deliver first task in 2 weeks. Okay, any delay will charge, for example, $40 per day. Okay, so write a contract for us. Okay, so as you can see that after this ChatGPT will write a contract for us. And inside this contract here you can see that inside the scope of services it mentioned that company no later than 2 weeks for the effective date or will charge 40 days per week. So perfect. Okay, so this is the chat gpt we can write a contract. So next you can build your resume and cover letter through chat gpt. For example, if I said it, I have 4 years of experience in HTML, CSS, PHP and Laravel. Okay, built a resume for me. Okay, so it's start to creating the resume, and here you can see that it professionally is mentioned all these skills, work experience, education and all these things. So ChatGPT will also build us the cover letter. For example, if I write here I am applying in for company name, that is Altair Technology. Okay, company the spelling Altair Technology company for the post of software engineer. Okay, uh, built a cover letter for me. Okay, so it will build me the cover letter as well. Here you can see that your name, address, city, the company name Altair Technology, and dear manager, I am writing to express interest in software engineering. So how easily based on my interest ChatGPT create the cover letter for me. So how easy it is. You can also use ChatGPT by interview preparation. For example, if I here write act as a interviewer, okay, ask me 10 questions in as a Laravel developer. Okay, so I can prepare my interview. Okay, so this here you can see that it asks me 10 questions and he ChatGPT act as an interviewer. Okay, here you can see that the first question is what inspired you and what are some best practices as follow on developing Laravel application, something like. And the beauty of ChatGPT is, for example, I know I want to know about the answer of 10. How do you approach scaling Laravel application? So answer me question 10. Okay, so it answers me the question number 10. So by using the chat gpt you can prepare your interview. So now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so through chat gpt you can generate your code, you can optimize your code as well. For example, if I write that write me a code in Python for text analysis. Okay, so it not only generate the code but also explain it. Okay, so here you can see that it basically import a simple text file, and through the text it split it, and by the length it shows me the total words and unique words. Okay, and it explains each function and its function method, okay, in the text. So that is the beauty of. And you can also, for example, write the output. So what is the input and output of this program? Here again you can see that it shows me the input and output of this program as well. Okay, with the descriptive text. The output is total word is 422 and unique word is this something like. Okay, so that's the beauty of ChatGPT. So now the last thing is today topic, that is you can also convert, okay, one program to another language. For example, if I write here convert this program to Laravel. Okay, so you can see that how easily the chat gpt convert a program into another language. You can see that in now it's converting into the Laravel application. It's make the Laravel controller, the file text, okay, to lower for the string to lower, and through the basically this brick split, it will basically show the this thing, the word count and unique word count. You can see that, and it explain each method in the textual form as well. So that's the beauty of chat gpt. So okay, so after watching this video, obviously you will now know about the importance of chat gpt and how chat gpt changed the life of a programmers, and it basically brings a revolution in the world. Obviously it's something its decision is biased. It's okay, not like a human, so but it will help, surely help a lot in your daily life. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can just send me a message in the video description link, that is question link mentioned. Okay, so you can just go to my site, that's nasirsoft.com, and ask your question. I will answer this question. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.